Here we have a 2016 66 plate Mercedes-Benz C220D 4MATIC AMG Line Premium Plus. Now with this vehicle you get 4 superb unscratched unmarked 19-inch alloy wheels in black and silver. Now do you have your LED headlights, the black Panoramic style front grille with the contrasting satin black front badge. We have your blacked out styling, so you get the black front splitter with your black window trim, black wing mirrors and your privacy glass on the rear. You have your panoramic sunroof which is currently open. Now do you have the black typical exhaust flush to the rear bumper and also the rear diffuser, front and rear parking sensors with a rear reversing camera, power assisted rear tailgate from a touch of a button on the key and also a button on the inside. Now the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches and really does look superb from every angle. If I go to the rear I'll give you a quick look at the inside of this vehicle. Now as you can see we do have the full leather seats throughout this vehicle with the ISOFIX points, pull down armrest, some storage behind the passenger and the driver's seat. On the doors you get your premium integrated Burmester sound system, black ashwood trim with ambient lighting underneath and your electric windows. Going to the front, there's a look at the driver's front seat. Now both driver and passenger are fully heated, electric and memory. Yeah, again you have your premium integrated Burmester sound system, your black ashwood trim, ambient lighting underneath, electric windows, electric power folding mirrors, multi-function steering wheel, paddle shift if we state the car into manual mode. Now this vehicle has done just over 58,050 miles. You have your auto lights, keyless start, screen in the centre where you can see satellite navigation. You also have your Bluetooth media, Bluetooth audio connectivity, DAB radio, different drive modes. You also have your rear reversing camera with your front and rear parking sensors. And there's a quick look at the interior of this vehicle. Now this vehicle is yet to have a full clean. Now once it does we'll do a full walk around video, go through all different specifications that do come with this vehicle. Now it is available to take away today with free contactless nationwide next day delivery. It is HPI clear, comes with fresh service, new MOT and we do have a competitive life finance. Thank you very much for watching.